would like to be the first to welcome you to Atlanta, Georgia. The local time here is 25 minutes after 6 o'clock. For your continued comfort and safety, the captain does ask that you remain comfortable in your seat with your seatbelt securely fastened about you until he's brought the airplane to a complete stop at our gate and has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Now that will be your indication that it is safe for you to move about the aisles, collect your personal belongings, and deplane. If you're making other flight connections here, there will be a Delta agent who greets the aircraft, and then there are also agents as you exit the Customs and Immigration area. Please use caution when you are opening the overhead bins, as your items may have shifted during our takeoff and landing. On behalf of your Atlanta-based flight crew, it certainly has been our pleasure serving you. We hope that in the future, if you do have air travel in mind, you'll once again choose Delta Airlines. Thank you and have a great day. Thank you.
Airplane mode. Yeah. I gotta get my phone out of the car cabin.